Hello everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. Today, this team is super excited to launch the Chakra Core Cleanse. And those of you that have been with me for almost 2 decades now know that over the years I have refined the method of cleaning the chakras out in ways that the time gets smaller and the effects that the products being delivered in gets really strong and powerful. So let's go back maybe 12, 15 years. What I used to do was sell a package called the Chakra cleaning. And this package ran north of $1,000. And what we do is we'd work together for 8 days continuously. 1 hour a day, we would drain the good energy and the bad energy from the chakra. And on the 7th day, you feel not human at all. But on the 8th day, we completely replenish that amazing energy simultaneously. So today, we're going to be launching the Chakra Core. And basically, in a 1 hour time frame, we will completely remove all of the energy from the 7 physical chakras and then replenish it with just beautiful source energy. So, forget everything you think you know about chakras. When you enter into my world, it's a whole nother level. Okay, we will be taking the good energy and the bad energy completely out of your chakras, one at a time, from the crown to the third eye to the throat to the solar plex, all the way down to the base. We're going to be taking everything out, and then we're going to be filling them back up simultaneously. When the chakras are tuned up, in balance, in breathing, it's all about that giving and receiving. Your life is beautiful, period. So in the next day, the Chakra Core will be available on the website. This is the same technology that we released back in January of 2018. The way this game is played with the universe, folks, is really simple. The more love and light you spread into the world, the more responsibility you are giving. If you act on that responsibility, you're given more. And this is how you move up this ladder. You push, they pull. They pull, you push. Giving and receiving. That's how the game is played out. And, so in a 1 hour, what we're going to do is, I have access to your core. It's the center of your creation. It's the center of your consciousness. It's your soul. It's the center of everything that you are. And if you have experienced a core cleanse or a receiving core, you kind of know what you're in for. This particular product has been refined for over the last 15 years to deliver exactly what it says it's going to do. So we start to spin that core. As your core spins faster, it creates a massive energetic field that just matches the speed and agility that the core is spinning at and completely pushes out, okay? Once the core reaches a certain speed, we will plug it into your crown chakra all the way down to the base. We're going to be plugging in 7 times. When they are all plugged in, that's when the magic starts. We'll be draining them. We're going to be filling them back up. These are known as carrier waves. As the core reaches certain optimal speeds, carrier wave comes out and does what she has to do. Again, folks, do all your research on what the 7 physical chakras are, but make no mistake, when I deliver a presentation such as this, it is unmatched anywhere. Why? Because that's exactly what I'm here to do, folks. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.